Hello guys, welcome back to Zach Animate Studios. Creativity one step at a time. So, hi guys, I wanted to take you through an amazing process that I have found it out to be an amazing way to implement React components into your Laravel application. I'm not going to take you through the process of having Laravel installation into your system, but what I'm just going to tell you is after you have installed your Laravel application, that is your Laravel application, and you want to implement React components into that Laravel application of yours, first you're going to, after you have installed the Laravel application, you're just going to the terminal and then you're going to install npm install react npm install react, that is React first, and then second npm install React DOM. That is now where all your React components are going to lie lie on the React and the React DOM. And then secondly, you're going to have an app, the app folder. That app folder, you're going now to state how it is going to be implemented into the front view of or the back view of your application, right? So this is more of a boilerplate that I have developed or I have improvised, and to my satisfaction, I'm just going to ask the community if I have implemented this method wrongly, guys. I'm great to critique, and if you also find this piece of information very useful to you guys, remember to like, share and follow us on this amazing YouTube channel. So let's continue. So I'll just try to explain the code. So basically I have created a container that is any component that is you want now to pass into your view. That is, you're going to create a home container or a client container or about us container, and then you'll end up with an else if statement just to load a default container. If it is not going to be loaded, it will load the default container. So basically that is how now the default container is the div container. That is, let's dive into the code and try to explain what I'm really talking about, right? So this is just a sample application, but don't mind that. I'm going to go to the login because I've implemented it on the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Let's log into it and see how it's going to look like. Basically it's a Laravel application, and you can see this is at this point trial, and this was a React component. This was a React component. It was called notification. So when I go to my notification or announcement, yeah, I think it was an announcement. It was not announcement but notifications, right? Something like that, or home. Let me just see. We're going to go through, yes, home. So but that is what I'm basically mean. It's a React component. So you load that, and then when you just want to go, now you go to the page, your Laravel page, and then you're going to pass it as a div component, right? So let me say I have an inventory page, an invoice page, sorry, an invoice page, and I want to load an invoice component. So I just write that and then I pass it as an invoice component. Remember, on the home page, right? On the home page, that is the app control app.txt. that is the app layout, right? The app layout, you're going to remember to pass in the Laravel that is the script. That is the Laravel script. This is the Laravel script, right? That is the build script. This is the build script that you have to pass in, the build script. So before you even do that, I think have gone ahead of time. After you have done that, you have to write npm, okay, basically npm run. There is the run dev and there is the npm run build. So when you run the build, it's going to produce for you this app.js. Okay, this app.js folder. Sorry for that. Yes, so I've just gone back there just 1 minute. So it's going to produce for you this app build folder, which is going to, that is the line that is going to provide for you, that is this line of JavaScript line and the CSS line. This is what you're going to put it on the script, and also that is what you're going to put it on the header. So after that, you're going now to add the div tag whatever place in your code. If you want to add maybe you have a user module, you want to add a user module into your div class, that is, you just create div class that div id default div id default, and it's going to load the default div tag that is the default HTML, that is the default React component. So I can change that to user, I can change that div to anything. Okay, I can change that to Control C. I'm sorry for that. I can change that to user. I can change that to, let me say, anything that is the div. Now the div components that I had specified on my app.js. okay, so I can make it a home page. Either I have loaded a client page, I have loaded a home page, that is, and you can use that to create an entire React application just on top of Laravel. So guys, if you have found this video successful to you, or it is going to help you in another way building your project, please like, share and follow us for more Zach Animate Studios creativity, one step at a time.